Look at the question number 4 in exercise 2.4. Divide 2 by 5. Find 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Divided by 1 by 2. So how will you do? Take the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply with the dividend. This is the divisor, it is the dividend here. So 2 by 5, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is what? 2 by 1. Now multiply, how will you multiply the two fraction? Just you multiply the, yes, numerator divided by multiply the denominator. So 2 2s are 4, 1 into 5 is 5 here. This is the first part of the fourth question. And then come to the second part now. The second part is, the question is like 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So how will you do? Yeah, take the reciprocal of the divisor, multiply with the dividend. So the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is nothing but 3 by 2. Am I right? Now you can simplify more. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 3s are how much? We can simplify more. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So the result is what? The product of the numerator is 2 and then product of the denominator is what? 3 into 1 is 3 here. So the required answer is what? 2 by 3 here. Required answer is what? 2 by 3 here. Now come to the third part then. The third part of this question is 3 by 7. 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. So these 3 by 7 can be written as 3 by 7 and then take the reciprocal of 8 by 7, multiply with 3 by 7. So what is the reciprocal of 8 by 7? Is nothing but 7 by 8. Am I right? You can simplify, you can cancel these 7 and 7. So left out with what? 1 into 3 is 3 and then 1 into 8 is 8. So 3 by 8 is the required answer. It's a final answer. Am I right dear? Yeah. So we move to the next part. That next part is 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Yeah. Tell me. First you convert this mixed fraction into an improper one. That is 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Now divide the fraction by a fraction. Take the reciprocal of the divisor, multiply with the dividend here. So it is 7 by 3 into the reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. The number which does not have own reciprocal is what? Yes. The number which does not have reciprocal is what? 0. Because the reciprocal of 0 is what? 1 by 0, which is not defined. Okay. So now multiply the fractions now. 7 5s are 35, 3 3s are 9. Now 35 by 9 is a improper fraction. Now you can write as a mixed fraction. So how many 9s are there in 35? 3 9s are 27 because 4 9s are 36. So 35 minus 27 is 8. Then it is 3 8 by 9 here. 3 8 by 9 here. Then fifth part of this question is 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. First you convert this mixed fraction into an improper one. That is 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is how much dear? 7. 7 by 2. Then divided by 8 by 3. Take the reciprocal of that and then multiply with the dividend here. Then it is 7 by 2 into 3 by 8. Am I right? So you cannot simplify more. Then multiply the numerator as well as multiply the denominator. 7 3s are 21. 2 8s are 16. But this fraction is a improper fraction. So you have to write into the mixed fraction. 1 into 16 is 16. Carry over 5. Remainder is 5. Then 1 5 by 16. That is quotient. It's a remainder. It's a divisor. 1 5 by 16 is the answer. Am I right? And then 3 more subdivisions are given. So you have to try by your own. Just I will write only the questions now. That is try yourself. Try yourself. The sixth part of this question is, it's given 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So first you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper and then take the reciprocal of the divisor, multiply with the dividend. And then seventh part is 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. And then 8th part of the question is 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. Am I right, dear? So we completed this exercise. Then tomorrow we are having online session. Then we will give the introduction to the decimal numbers. Okay. So again it will take the 3-4 days for us to complete the chapter. So we will try to complete on or before 2nd. Am I right? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.